Tiege Hanley Skincare for Men unboxing. Today I'm unboxing the Tiege Hanley Uncomplicated Skincare for Men. They actually sent this to me for free, so thank you, Tiege. And they didn't ask for any like, hey, it needs to look like this or be like that, so I really appreciate that. I'm gonna give my honest unboxing review, and then I will try it and make another video about the experience. So if you want to see the experience, subscribe. If you want to hang out for the unboxing, hang out. Oh, hello there. Tiege Hanley unboxing skincare for men. Uncomplicated skincare for men. Because skincare for men is complicated. Real men need to take care of their skin. So please, please make sure you're taking care of your skin. I looked before I showed you, so ready? Oh, thanks for your purchase. I didn't purchase this. They sent it to me for free. Tiege Hanley member benefits. We have a link below. You can use the Tiege Hanley link below to get your discounted membership, as well as support the channel and help me get more skincare products so I can look beautiful in these videos for you. Maybe if I use the skincare, it'll get rid of the disease that I called ugliness. You think? I hope so. This is a 30-day program for Tiege.com subscribers, and they have the full set of instructions right here. You can screenshot that if you really, really want. Why would you? But this, I feel like I'm getting a gift with this wrapping paper. That's how I feel when I'm opening this. I don't know if it's necessary, but I can already smell the skincare vibes. Like I'm going to a Bath & Beyond right now. Bath & Beyond, a Bath & Beyond in a box by Tiege Hanley. Wow, what am I doing? Okay, all right, I'm unboxing this, so I gotta show you when I open it. Sorry, noob unboxer over here. We'll get better. Boom, as you can see, we've got all of the skincare routine items here, and that is a lot of skincare items. If you look real closely, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items that I need to use on a daily basis, maybe, or maybe less. Like that's a bit overwhelming for a guy who doesn't do any skincare routine other than wash their face. But inside we've got wash, daily face wash for men. We have super serum, AM/PM facial firming serum, eye cream, AM/PM, scrub, 2-week times scrub, exfoliating scrub, morning facial with sunscreen, 20 SPF. Actually, this is something that I've been really wanting. I was thinking about on my walk today. The Denver sun especially can really impact your skin. I can notice, I don't know if you can tell, but my leg is darker here, lighter here. The sun protection is important. I don't want to get skin cancer, and I just don't want to be the darkest guy in Denver. Right? PM, bedtime facial moisturizer. Yeah, that's a lot of things. So I think the AM, like putting this on every day, we have a whole bunch of these little bottles now. This is the whole family of Tiege. Can I hold it up for you? This is the entire kit that they gave me, the 30-day, like, hey, you're a Tiege Hanley subscriber kit. I think this is the bundle that it comes with. These are all the items. Tiege Hanley, thank you so much for sending this. Oh no, seems like I'm already breaking it. These are like little spray bottle things that you probably ooze out onto your hand. And in terms of instructions, how do we use this? We do 1 pump. The usage amounts, like for AM/PM, you can see in this little corner, small little dab. Pump, 1 pump for the pump ones, and then 1 big one for the wash and scrub. This is the wash and scrub. The little scrub's just a little, like a dime. It is very important to put on the AM moisturizer with SPF 20 when using serum before going out into the sun. Honestly, they sent this to me to maybe make a video about it and get you excited about it. The thing that I'm not happy about is that it's probably gonna make me a subscriber, and I'm gonna start using this. So it's like a double win, I guess, for them. Smart job, Tiege Hanley. Can you like send me more for free? Like if I get enough people to click the link below? Is that how it works? Can you help a brother out in these times? I don't got a lot of money though. That is a Tiege Hanley unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the 30-day review and what it's like to put it on, subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Actually, I have a couple of these. So I've got Lumen Skincare. As you can see here, we've got Lumen Skincare, Tiege Hanley, and then even Brickle. These are 3 different men's skincare brands. Do you want to see a review of Tiege Hanley, Lumen Skincare, and Brickle Skincare, like a comparison? Let me know in the comments below.